Good afternoon, students. Standard 4th. Subject EVS 1. Children, today we are going to continue chapter number 23, Natural Disasters. This is part 2 of the video. Part 1 I have already explained. So now let's begin the lesson. Now children, let's revise what are natural disasters. As we all know that natural disasters are natural causes that is not in the hand of we human beings. So we do not have enough knowledge about when and where they might happen, and it is impossible for us to prevent them. We must not get frightened by such disasters. Instead, it is more useful to find out how to face such a disaster if it happens. Now children, in the previous video we have learned about untimely rains and floods. Now today we are going to see two more natural disasters. Now the first one. Now if a stone is thrown into a pool of still water. Okay, now in this water, if we throw a stone, we see circular ripples around it. You can see the circular ripples around it. They move to the edges of the pool. After some time, the waves settle and the water becomes still as before. Now, exactly in the same way, exactly the same kind of waves are produced inside the earth. For a few seconds, the ground shakes, that is the earthquake. Then everything quietens down again. Now you can see over here what happens when earthquake comes. People, animals get injured, houses collapse. Where the earthquake occurs, buildings are shaken. Things inside the house all fall from their places. Houses that are not strong enough simply collapse into heaps. An earthquake also causes injuries or death of animals and people. Now this is another natural disaster. The name of it is tsunami. Now what does tsunami mean? Now tsunami, if the origin of the earthquake is in the sea, it produces gigantic sea waves. Each wave is the height of a 3 or 4-story building. These waves come with tremendous force towards the coast and crush into the land. These waves are called tsunamis. Now in this picture you can see the tsunami hitting the coast, coming with tremendous force towards the coast and crush into the land. These waves are called tsunamis. Now, when it comes, if there are people living on the coast where a tsunami occurs, it causes much devastation. People or animals who come in the way of these waves are completely helpless, dead. They drown and die. Vehicles are crushed. Now, children, do you know? In every city and district headquarters, there is a fixed drill to be followed in case of a natural disaster. There are specially trained volunteers for that purpose. If necessary, soldiers of the army are called to help. Children, always remember, we must obtain information about natural disasters to learn how we can prevent the loss that they can cause. Thank you, children.